just hear AC/DC.
There's not a stabilizer on my camera.
Don't you
There's
have a
the
setting
creek
for
we're going to
that?
be crossing.
That's the beginning of it.
Well, I'll tell you right now, it's kind of a long way to the top when it comes to my fantasy football league. I would say after this week, I'm probably going to be in like, I don't know, 4th or 5th place. And that's only out of 10. So not killing it.
Not today,
I wish I
Mom.
was. This week was much better than last week so far. I'll find out after tonight's games, see how my opponent does. So 88's the NFL channel here on Sirius XM. You want to check in on all things football, see how things went yesterday, and also get ready for Titans to play the Dolphins tonight. Seahawks will also take on the Lions. So Monday Night Football tonight, 2 different games happening. And again, 88's the NFL channel.
Move it, Mr. Squirrel.
Oh, I see her. She's running. Crisscrossing.
Gotta see what I'm aiming for.
Yep. Where are you aiming for?
I think it's right there. It runs right next to the bridge.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yes. It's just, that's more covered in water than it was last night, too.
Alright. Get ready. Oh, cake.
All right, there's one of the 3.
That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. I'm glad we scoped it out last night, though, so we knew it wasn't, like, super deep. Or at least had a clue of how deep.
The second one, which, well, was our first that we went over,
Right.
wasn't as bad, but it's lower. So I'm wondering if maybe more water has gotten down. So you saw how the water was just running down the road.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't bring a stick to judge depth.
Nah. I mean, honestly, what we're going to do anyway, we're not going to be stuck here.
Stuck here. All right, I'll pause while I do the gate.